So I thought I'd share one of my finds for the day anyway, one of my CB finds. I picked up a Uniden, a pc78 Elite. Not sure what year it was manufactured. I picked it up off a Swift driver. Uh, yeah, the rest is history, right? It's got the neat orange face there. It still had the original plastic over the cover. I know he said he had it from at least 2010, so it's at least 9 years old. So um, everything on it works. Every single thing on it works. He did state that he had it quote unquote boosted at some point. Those were his words. So I opened it up and looked. The limiter's intact. All the wax is still on all the pods and everything. The only thing that's been monkeyed with, it looks like, is it's got a swing kit on it, and I would have done that anyway. The dead key's a watt and a half and swings up to about 18. So that's, absolutely perfect to run with a little foot warmer. Um, Everything works. The weather works.
5, Lake Tahoe area 8,000 feet, 32 and 36.
So yeah, the weather channel works. Heck, everything on it works. I turn the squelch channel on. I don't want to ask for a radio check right now because it's kind of late, but it all works. Go on another channel and I'll let you see the power it's doing. We are on the 30-watt scale, which is the bottom scale. There's the dead key right there. Just a tiny bit above a watt and a half. Audio, hello, hello, audio, 1 2 1 2. How about that audio? Audio. You can see it hits that 20 mark and then it kicks it back to about 18, so the limiter is intact. Hello. Audio. I do like having that swing kit in there because I would have done it anyway. Well, there we go. We got a real nice older Uniden pc78 Elite, and I paid a whole whopping 25 bucks for it, and it's in excellent condition. So I'll go ahead and throw it in my stack of radios. Thanks for watching.